soft and easy to digest toast, an easy and quick recipe. The components: 3 cups sifted white flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 cup warm milk, 38 to 40 degrees Celsius, 2 tablespoons of instant yeast, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. How to prepare? In a large bowl, mix flour, salt and sugar. In another bowl, mix milk, yeast, eggs, and oil. Add the yeast mixture to the flour mixture, and stir well until the dough comes together. Cover the dough and leave it in a warm place for 60 minutes, or until it doubles in size. After the dough has fermented, divide it into small balls, the size of a ping pong. Grease a baking tray with vegetable oil. Put the dough balls in the tray, and let them ferment for another 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the toast for 20 to 25 minutes, or until done. Remove the toast from the oven and allow it to cool completely before slicing and serving. White flour. Do not add too much flour while kneading, or the toast will not become dry. Leave the dough to ferment well until it becomes soft and shaped. Bake the toast at an appropriate temperature, so that it does not brown on the outside and remains raw on the inside. Leave the toast to cool completely before slicing and serving, so it doesn't fall apart. In addition to these basic ingredients, you can add some other ingredients to the dough to get different flavors, such as raisins or dried fruits, chocolate or nuts, cinnamon or cardamom, thyme or paprika. Mix these ingredients with the dough before baking it, or add it to it after baking and serving the toast. I hope. Subscribe to receive all new